Today we're going to play with two different vowel sounds. Let's look at these. For example, we have ship, ship, and sheep. Ship and sheep. Ship, sheep. Can you hear the difference? They're really hard to hear. Ship and sheep. First of all, the sounds. There are two sounds. The first one is long, and you say it with a smile. It's the long E. Sheep, sheep, e. Like I'm smiling. E, e. You don't have to smile, but helps. E, e, like in sheep. Sheep, sheep. And the other sound is eh. It's kind of short, eh, eh. This is the short I sound, the short I, as in ship. So your mouth is sort of round, ship, eh, eh, eh. And the long E is E. E is smiling. E, like in sheep, sheep, sheep. And the one on the right is eh, like on ship, eh, like on ship. Let's look at these pictures. So the first picture, number 1, is sheep, and number 2 is ship. 1 is sheep and 2 is ship. They sound very similar, don't they? Yeah, they do. So you're going to look at the pictures and I'm going to say a word. I'm going to say one word and you tell me, is it 1 or is it 2? Sheep. Is it 1 or 2? Sheep. It's number 1, sheep. Bah. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. That's a terrible sheep. Sounds more like a goat. It's number 1, sheep, sheep. Do you hear it? E, sheep. Number 2 is ship, ship. Yeah. Number 2 is ship, ship. Okay, let's look at these. Number 1 is bin, bin, and number 2 is bean, bean. So I say one word, you say the number, 1 or 2. Listen, here's the word, bin. 1 or 2, bin. 1. That's right. That's a bin, like a trash bin. Okay, listen again. Here's another word. Bean. 1 or 2. Bean. Number 2, bean. So again, 1 is the short vowel, bin. Number 2 is the long vowel, bean. 1 is 2 is e, e. Here we go. Here's another one. So look at number 1. It's seat, seat. And number 2 is sit, sit. So 1 is seat and 2 is sit. Okay, I'm going to say a word. You tell me, is it 1 or 2? Listen, is it 1 or 2? Sit. 1 or 2? Sit. It's number 2. Sit, sit. Okay, here's another word. You tell me, is it 1 or 2? Seat. Seat. Is it 1 or 2? It's number 1, seat. Seat. Anything that you sit in is a seat. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's look. Number 1 is hill. Hill. Number 1 is a hill. Number 2 is heel. That's on your foot. The back of your foot, it's called the heel. So number 1 is hill and number 2 is heel. Okay, I'll say a word and you say the number. Listen, here's the word. Hill. 1 or 2. Hill. Number 1 is hill. Yeah, hill. And let's listen again. Here's another word. Heel. 1 or 2. Heel. It's number 2, heel. All right, so again, this is on the left is the short vowel sound, I for hill, and on the right is the long vowel sound, E for heel. Your turn. Say it with me. Here are the words. Here are the words that go with that go with the long vowel sound, E, E. Sheep. Repeat. Sheep. Bean. Seat. Heel. Good. Now here's the short vowel sound, I, I. Here we go. The first one is ship. Bin. Sit. Hill. Excellent. You can feel your mouth change, right? Sheep, sheep. Bean, bean. Seat, seat. Heel. Yeah, and for the short vowel sounds, it's different. It's I. Look, I, almost round. I. Ship, bin, sit, hill. Okay, game time. Let's do it. Number 1, number 1 is ship. Number 2 is sheep. You listen and tell me which is the correct picture. Here we go. Listen. Here's the word. Sheep. Say the number. Yeah, number 2 is sheep. Again, let's try a different word. Ship. What number? Number 1, ship. Very good. Nice work. Let's try another one. Here we go. Number 1 is bean. Number 2 is bin. Listen for the word and you tell me what number is it? Is it 1 or 2? Bin. Yeah, it's number 2, bin. I'm going to say another word. Here we go. Ready? Bean. Yep, number 1, bean. Nice work. Let's try another one. Let's see. Let me say the word to begin with. Listen, here's the word. Seat. Which number is it? Seat. Yeah, number 2. Here's another word. Sit. What number? Sit. Number 1, sit. Nice work. Great job, guys. That was really good. These are tricky sounds. They're really hard to hear the difference, right? Or to tell apart. So you did a very good job with it. Thank you.